largely guide how you act. And there are a lot of people out there who are deliberately creating misinformation. And my job is to give you the correct information. If you choose not to listen to it, that's your business. But at least the correct information must be out there. I've seen someone say, Prime Minister don't like criticism. Nonsense. Not every opinion makes sense. I am not one who fears criticism. But there are people who fear me when I respond to them. Be assured that I will respond to any nonsense that is put out. Not to be distracted. The critical ones. Because managing information is also an important part of the disaster management. If you allow people to cast your nation into despair and grief, to smother hope, to ignore the heroic efforts that people are making, and to just focus on the negative, then we'll have a negative outlook in a time when we need people to be positive in their outlook about our recovery. So I ask all Jamaicans of good mind and goodwill to stand up to those who are seeking to become popular on negativity.
So, Mr. Prime Minister, me think say, why you can't prove the people them wrong? Right? Remember say you're a public figure. You understand? So, me remember say you're serving the people. The people are paying you to run in the country. Right? People gonna talk. So you are gonna say you know, you don't want respond, or you understand? People not gonna like if you respond like, come on brother. People are gonna criticize you. I understand say you're under pressure right now. You don't know it's a category 5 hurricane, like in at this time, end of the year. We understand, bro. But I feel like you're supposed to focus on the real thing them. The babies them, all of them thing they in the country. You should not worry about what people are saying right now, brother. You understand? People always are gonna say things. So if you are worried about criticize, I don't know if you're really ready for the job, because there's more to come. May I tell you? Because the people them need the help right now. And when hungry start lick them are gonna start call you out more. Remember, are you win. You understand? Are you win? So are you have to just do the job and not watch when nobody I say. You understand? And you cannot do anything to nobody. You understand? Or try for you don't have time for no respond for nobody, brother. You understand? You have a job to do right now. That huge hurricane will damage the west part of Jamaica. And that you're supposed to focus on right now. Know what people are saying at the media and every little thing. Why you worry about people and you tell people say, yo, anybody we are trying to misinformation, and brother, some of the time want to put information out there. You understand? Seem like how not talk about the millions. Remember, $10 million. Zine, $10 million to the 63 constituency. See, $10 million joke money, chicken money that. Say you play same damage. Chicken money that. And Mr. Man Golin, brother, that $50 million where you ask that even make no sense. That can't do nothing right now. You understand? We need some millions in some US to deal with the place. You see it? That I go start $10 million can't do. Me understand, it could have gone before the hurricane. But not after this hurricane, I tell you. But brother, remember say you're the Prime Minister. People are gonna talk. Remember say basically the citizens of the country are pay you for work. So just expect say people are gonna talk, brother. This is not like in the COVID time when people usually say, yo, we're the outside and all of them look something and you send police when them tell you about your mother or whatsoever, say them outside. You see it? Then you send police now. If you go take either man from under them bed and all of them look something. I don't know if it's some dictator thing, brother. But if you do your work. Why you watch your people say, brother? You understand? Focus on that way you focus on. You're getting paid. You understand? You take your 200% increase, fine. Just do the work and done, brother. Because people are going to talk. It's going to get worse than this, So I hope you prepare. Because you never know say you have time for forward out and I try to reply to people who criticize you or say anything, bro. You understand? Yeah, man. Because at the end of the day, right now, the people who suffer right now are criticize you in a real way. Every time the hungry kick in at them belly, them call your name. You understand? Them not nobody thank God for the people them out there help, because you're even lucky. You understand? You're even lucky. See? You're even lucky say, yo, the artists and the people them are ease off like a pressure of because imagine nobody never did that nothing or nobody not help. See? What it would have worse than this. It would have worse because the people them out there where independently are doing them are going to some community where Me know enough of the MP them or them not see them not go give them no food and thing. You understand? But the look at $10 million, no, that need more, man. You have to go give some, remember, you know, a $24 billion band that, you know, which me know said the $24 billion band, me know said that have no, what they call it, restriction on it. You can't do anything with it. All if you want to save it, or save it for the next 5 years, or you want to put some in your pocket or whatsoever. Me know, but it's a lot of money that where the constituency them could have get, brother. The $10 million, that are just joke thing, bro. You understand? You know that yourself. I don't know why you even bring up that figure there. You understand? And me no know, we might go only ask if $50,000, $50 million. You understand? Because that can't do nothing, brother. That can't do nothing. You understand? But me realize me no know, because me know say the government in a power supposed to give Mark Gold in them, the other side, them money and all of them, some of them. Me don't really know what go on in that situation there. Seeing? But the people them attack. And people are going to always talk, brother. You understand? Criticizing all of these things. You are the government. You understand? And remember, say, the people them don't not trust you for morning. You see, people are going to talk. I just say things said, you are the government, public figure. What you want? You just want to do things and things just happen and nobody not say nothing. Eh? Nobody not say nothing. Cause it's like you make a statement a while ago. I don't know if you want people afraid or when people hungry them not afraid, you know, brother. You understand? But all me I say, just do the work, brother. Do the work. Make the work. Make the people criticize the work. You see me? Do the work and make the people them talk. Prove them wrong then, Mr. Holness. Prove them wrong. Prove the people them wrong. Where criticize you. Yeah, make them shame. Prove them wrong. Then you address up man and bring up bodies criticize. Because I know you're on the social media regularly, you know. You watch every comments, everything. See him like when you say, yo, you say the people them say you can't take criticism. But brother, right now you even approve what the people them say. Because you would on a little press conference and you even bring it up. You understand? So it evidently shows that you the people them attack. Because if you wouldn't address that, you wouldn't even bring it up. Brother, if you're a prime minister, you know, bro, you have to be strong, you know. Remember other prime minister, president or whatsoever out there where people bash them every day. We don't hear them come out and a ball like this. You understand? You have to be strong, brother. You have to be a man. You understand? People are going to say things. You have to just do your job and not watch what nobody I say. Seeing? But since you talk about criticize and thing and we have a lot of things people for sure you want to go on because a lot of people attack and every little thing. But people want to look on that clip here, you know. You see it?
Ruthless Suki and her mother Vivette among the thousands still without water and electricity.
We can't hold out because we are basically outside. In the night, our house is open. It's a good thing we're by the road. It's terrible. We need water. Our water that we have is rainwater, stink and stagnant right now. Bleach is not making any sense. Little to no food. The little water we have inside is been rationed. It's real devastating.
Yo, let me tell you this, people. Hungry and a boy. You understand? Hungry and a boy. You see, we might have food in our house. Them people, some of them not eat for days. Some of them might eat one meal. You understand? Have to share up to the family and everything. Frustration. When you lose your house, everything. Them frustrated. You see what I mean? Especially water. You see when them not no water for drink, no water in the pipe. Them money go wash away, them card wash away, everything wash away gone. Them not have nothing. You understand? Nothing them not have. Birth certificate, wash away everything. Where them a go carry, go to the bank. ID gone, what them a go do? Them not have nothing. You understand? So at least look at water the people them for. Your social wipe, the frustration, brother. Them things can make people lose them life, cause the pressure, the frustration, everything, they just give up on life. You understand? So right now, you think sticky. You see it, but this is what I want.
Our prime minister that we voted for, he needs to come to our aid. It's not just us, but everybody else around us.
When your tin food runs out, when what you have stored runs out, what happens?
We are worried about that right now because we see the fight is about to scrabble. If we have $5, we can't buy anything. The taxi to go to Montego Bay is $500 to go down there. The money can't get anything done. If you have $10, there is nothing to buy.
People, sticky right now. Everything I go up. Every price I go up. Every little situation. You understand? Me I tell you people. Every little situation right now. Where I have to do with purchasing something or some item cost high, especially in the west side of the area, because when a brother sell this amount, it a double, everything a double, because it's scarce in a these place, especially gas, all of them something. We usually buy gas double, you understand? Yeah man, but Jano, that's the frustration, and you know the people them need the help right now. Them need it. When them can't go and hold out on the house, them can't hold out on the belly. Them need water to live. Them need food to eat to build up them system and all of these things. If them not have that, I just when them go do other things, try to take what people things or something, cause them not gonna make hunger make them dead. You understand? Yeah man.
People even died in their houses and a lot of things. Mega Mart is washed out. That a new building just opened up there, so is washed out completely. I mean, another China building up there, so completely gone. There is no work. It's just the spirit of the Jamaican people now.
Food prices already up and gas scarce.
Just buy this bread right up the road here, so for $1,200. Generally, it's $700 for it. Meat, don't bother buy any of that. Water, the big main in Great River, don't buy Hope Rail. It's
Yo, General Terati. People, $1,200 for your bread. You man say $700, some are 6, some are 5. Double money. You understand? Yo, it's a serious time now, you know, people. Me, I tell you, yo, right now, you know, the government alone can't do this, you know. Me, I tell you, people. The government alone, alright, the poorest part of the country, and most of the west side. You understand? The majority. Seeing? So right now, most of the house and the infrastructure them in our country here, them not strong. You understand? The government alone can't do it, you know. Them can't do it. Them can't manage right now. That's why the aid them are forward in and all of them little people, and you know, because what happen, but me just sorry for some of the people, some of the people living in some places, them not see certain things for now, you know. Not even get back light nor water. You understand? Because right now, as we speak, light posts drop down. Everything. Yeah man, when I take up yet, all 50, 100 light posts drop. So you know them they take days, months before light. You understand? Yeah man.
broken. We have to be depending now on springs to get water or the rivers. And you know that pollution we are talking about right there. Mosquitoes, oh God. Anthony, you see as it reach 6 o'clock, mosquito want to lift you up out of your house. I mean, gas, you can't get it. You have to come out here from 5 o'clock in the morning.
We are Hanover, come on, Mobile, St. James to get gas. They're really rough. How much are they?
Yeah, man. Yo, Jano. It rough. But you with that brother I talk about.
I need to fill up one of those. Alright, one of this is for $800. And if you buy this from off the road, we have to pay $3,000 for one. Fairs.
Yo, yo, you want to say yet then? Yo, Jano West Side not play with them car sign people. Me I tell you, them not play.
And I am appealing to the looters out there, and because a lot of that is going on. I mean, we are already at the peak of collapse. Don't destroy your neighbor. Worse than we are destroyed already.
You've seen looting?
Yes, looting go on, because a lot of looting go on.
What are they looting?
Food, survival, some for survive.
So without assistance, you think people are going to loot more?
It's not a thing, it's a surety.
So
Yeah, man. People are gonna loot. Yo, hungry. Yo, let me tell you this, man. Why you think cause crime and them thing there? A hunger, you know. Nobody now sit down and hungry. Them a go out, they go fetch it. Them a find some alternative for go make some money, either legal or illegal. But them nah sit down and stay hungry. Especially if them have friends or family where suffer. Them nah do it. Me I tell you. So hungry and them see food right in front of them or them can access. Them are go do it. You understand? Cause at this moment, the belly is the brain. Yeah, man, the belly is the brain. Yo, when you not eat and you not get no food, you know, yo, you're hungry, you know. It come like when vampire want blood. You understand? Yeah, man. So it's a dangerous thing, people, and if the people them not get food in time, come remember, you know, and if long the artists them and certain people can really afford to continuously support the people them, you know. You understand? Because them have to save things for themselves too and them family. Yeah, man, but see some people attack, you see me, where I try to help out.
I just could not stay in Florida and see what's happening to my people here in Jamaica. So I launched a team and we start, going through to see how best we can assist. We want our donation to impact the lives positively, and it goes to the people who truly need it.
We want to bring at least 500 barrels within this month here, and basically bring it between St. James to Westmoreland. St. Elizabeth is another story to itself. They need to have less bureaucracy involved and basically have
Yeah, man, so a lot of people out there will want to help people, and it's a good look. May I tell you, it's a good look. Good look. You understand? And rate say everybody forward out and help out, and because as I said, the government alone can't do it. So if outsiders can help on certain little things, and the people them can manpower themselves in just helping them own community as well. You understand? If you did have tissue put on, dish put on, all of these things, you can share it with your neighbors and things. Yeah, man. So right now, the country in a crisis right now, people, because it might happen to the east side of the country, but it's still affected by food shortage. I tell people, I go supermarket, I can't get certain things. I can't get sweet pepper, tomato, thyme, scallion, all of them something the way you want, really did it. You understand? And the hike of price too. Whatever scarce, the price go high. I remember say, enough of them places down this will get affected, At this, so the food come straight to Kingston at the supermarket and certain place. So it really affect we up here as well, because most of the things them we purchase I go down the side there. You understand? So we don't really have certain things. Yeah, man.
that are basically specializing in just bringing in things for charities, because there's a lot of companies who want to bring in, but they're not registered under the Charities Act and the custom duties and those and the tariffs they will have to pay. So what they need to do is that once you're going, you basically sign, whether it's a simple form, you collect it at the ministry and you move as quickly as possible.
Because right now, what is the impediment to the stuff that you want to bring in getting in?
It's really a lot of bureaucracy. Processes, signing up, you have to go under the Charities Act and basically register if you're not there, to have the waiver so that you can basically bring in without the tariffs and all those custom duties. And that is something that I do believe that most Honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness should pay attention to. Making it...
Yes, but I think Andrew did say some waiver thing. You understand? So I mean, I really know, but you see me, we see she attack, I know what go on, she said the pressure. You see, she have to go through this long bag of process, but I feel like right now, I just feel like say I feel like them should have give these people kind of like a relief, The people them were forward for support Jamaica and for the Jamaican thing, I feel like them shouldn't even go through so much process. You understand? I understand with the food and stuff, and you don't know them I go check for illegal things and rape, but come on, man, the process, the people them need food, the people them need aid. A lot of people out there want to support people, but it's like, it's the way a system set up at Jamaica is like, it is difficult for these certain things. You understand?
Simple, make it very easy, a simple people.
What I'm trying to do, we're trying to avoid 5 family members from one household getting the benefit and then the other house is not getting any benefit. So we want to make sure that we're fair with the distribution. As a contractor, we want to make sure that my contribution from the trucking side of things, from the construction side of things, can meet the needs of the people.
In terms of...
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Everybody just want to do them thing and, love why people them fall out and do them thing. I tell the people, it's a great look. You see me? It's a great look. Great look, people. You see it, because the situation, it rough. You see it? It rough, people, it rough. But listen what that brother has said.
Every tree, dry, breadfruit tree, because I sell arcade, I sell breadfruit, because I'm a hustler. And we can't get no crop, no food, no nothing.
But you have chicken?
Because everybody that have the chicken on the fridge is trying to get it out for a reasonable price before it's stale on them.
And when it runs out, what happens?
But hopefully we can get from no more chicken, we try something else.
Ricardo, Julian, and others drafted by Adrian.
Yo, people, may I tell you, a lot of things, food shortage are going on, because right now, a lot of people have things in a fridge where, especially in the country here, them when on a light, we spoil and, we them have to maybe I'll throw them food because no fridge and all of these things. You understand? So, them have to just do what them do, And if them can cook it and help out and give them neighbors and help out some people, that would have good. You understand?
Make the best of a really bad situation.
We have a little chicken in the fridge, so I decided I was going to jerk some chicken with some festival and then start fry some of the chicken. In no time, in about 10 minutes, as it was ready, everything finished. Then people all about the community who have a lot of chicken in their fridge came to me and say, oh, we got chicken. So I decided to, in 4 days time, to blow. The first day, I got about 100 customers, then the second day, 200, keep on rising. Yesterday alone was Sunday. It was like a weekend.
How you
That's him and wants to help. Look at one.
What are people most concerned about up here in Anchovy? What are they scared about right now?
Yeah, but right now, I don't really have no place to live. You understand? Most of the house them mash up. So if a man go put up in a house for 3 or 4 days, in camp now put up for 7 days, understand? Because they want space in the house. You understand? But otherwise, they also see them in the street. So I go on there.
I think rough, you know. All the woman them see like, man, them give them man born by next week. Because it's rough, the woman them hungry. They need money, they need food.
Yo, people, man, tell you that, brother. Yo, man, say, yo, by next week, woman them lift them man because they hungry. Yeah, that's that. Yo, that brother is easy, though. Yo, people, I tell you, rough in a JA, man, I tell you about. If you have it, help. If you don't have it, pray. You understand? Yeah, man. But I say thing go. But you don't know, best everybody, you know. Me have to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, I'm Media Fox, man. That is it.